ISO 31000 provides regular guidelines for effective risk management to help organizations protect and create value. It aims to improve how risks are managed, ensuring that threats are minimized and opportunities are maximized. The threats are minimized and opportunities are through the use of principles focus on making risk management processes more structured and consistent. They encourage organizations to integrate risk management into decision-making and organizational processes. This helps to improve overall efficiency and effectiveness in achieving goals. The standard emphasizes a proactive approach to identifying and addressing risk. Ultimately, ISO 31000 seeks to support organizations in making informed decisions and achieving sustainable success. First principle of risk management, integrated. It makes risk management a priority in all organizational activities. Integrate risk management into every part of your organization to ensure consistent attention to potential risks. This approach helps to build a strong foundation for informed decision making and overall success. Next, structured and comprehensive. A well-organized and thorough approach to risk management is essential for consistent success. A careless or unstructured method can lead to future failures. Proper planning and attention to detail help in effectively managing risk and achieving success. Customized. Each organization is unique, so its risk management framework should be customized. Tailor the process to fit your organization's specific context and goals. This ensures that risk management is relevant and effective for particular needs. Next is inclusive. Involve stakeholders in the risk management process when appropriate, as they can impact or can be impacted by your decisions. Their insights, views, and perceptions can enhance an understanding and awareness of risk. This collaboration can lead to more informed and effective risk management decisions. Next, dynamic. The risk environment and your organization are always evolving. Stay adaptable and avoid becoming stagnant. Your organization should swiftly identify, assess, and address risks whether they are new, evolving, or no longer relevant. Next is best available information. A strong risk management process uses both past and current data, along with future predictions, while considering uncertainties and limitations. All relevant information must be timely and easily accessible to stakeholders who need it. This ensures informed decision-making and effective risk management. Next is human and cultural factors. The risk landscape and your organization are always changing. To avoid becoming stagnant, your organization must be capable of anticipating, identifying, and addressing all types of risk, whether they are new, evolving, or no longer relevant. This should be done quickly and appropriately to stay ahead of potential issues. Next is continual improvement. In life, learning is a continuous process, and the same applies to risk management. Always seek new knowledge and insights, and use your experiences to refine and improve your risk management approach. This ongoing learning helps strengthen your ability to manage risk effectively. For the benefits of risk management, first is your approach to risk management is organized rather than chaotic. Continuous learning and improving your risk management approach can help prevent failures. By identifying and addressing risks early, you can avoid costly mistakes. This proactive approach reduces the financial impact of risk on your organization. Ultimately, it helps protect and preserve the overall value of your risk. Second, your organizational risks are managed more easily. When risks are managed effectively, they are easier to control and resolve. Poorly managed risks can escalate, spreading beyond the initial problem. This can lead to spreading beyond This can lead to greater issues and complications within the organization. Proper risk management helps prevent this spread and minimizes the impact on your business. Third, your reputation is protected. Effective risk management helps protect your organization's reputation. A poor reputation can lead to a loss of new business and existing customers. By addressing risk early and properly, you can avoid damage to your image. This proactive approach ensures that your organization maintains trust and credibility. Fourth is you can identify potential hazards. Identifying potential hazards allows you to take proactive steps to address them. Once the risks are identified, you can either reduce their impact or eliminate them entirely. This early detection helps prevent significant damage. Taking action quickly ensures safety and stability of your organization.